Today, on completing the 1 year of this production, thy work is done. I just want to say to my students that yes, we had challenges in front of us. Yes, we were pressing on time. Yes, we had loads and loads of work to be incorporated that day on stage. Yes, we had something to prove to our teachers, to our parents, to our grandparents. But the standing ovation at the end made it all worthwhile.
I just wanted to thank you all for the wonderful experience that we had in the play. I want to thank the whole narrators team, Nisha ma'am, Deepak sir of course, and the whole crew, the whole team, and a big shout out to the kids who were part of the play. They were absolutely fantastic, especially the music team, the best.
Today I am recording this video to say thanks to Mrs. Nisha Luthra for giving me a chance to be a part of a wonderful play, Thy Work is Done. Special thanks to Mr. Sharan for composing beautiful music, Mr. Rajan for helping the actors, and Mr. Pankaj for the mesmerizing dances. Thank you.
The narrators team went and stood in front of about 90 students of class 9th of Vivek High School. In that hall, all the eyes were inquisitive, curious to see that what are they getting into. I mean, in India, mainly the acting is all about walking like Salman Khan, or having that angry look in their eyes like Ajay Devgan, or being beautiful for becoming the lead actress of Bollywood. So the layman idea about acting is very, very naive. So what happened here was I saw all the above traits in our students who were fresh and naive and coming for acting for the first time. And imagine Ishwar Chandra Nanda of our history walking this badass, I don't care about the world kind of walk on stage. So we have to actually start from the body language, the way they were perceiving acting and enacting all these legendary roles on stage. So we have to start from there.
It was a great experience to work with ma'am, and I played the character of Bachittar. It was a very funny and a loving character. And I want to thank Nisha ma'am for giving me this opportunity to play the character. I tried my best to perform the role, and all the thanks to ma'am and her team that they helped all of us to perform the role. And that's it. After 1 year of the play, I can say that it was one of the greatest things that I have done.
Edward Gordon Craig, the great theatre tourist of the 20th century.
Man!
No! She left Lahore for good and settled in Panuri, situated between...
But after few days, when they dived deep into the process of acting, they actually outshined us all. And I mean, they stunned us with their absorption of all those roles.
But why?
That's a good question again.
Thank you again. आला भाई इसी गलते चरला.
What?
Eat up.
Oh, Charlotte. You also, Charlotte.
मैं जसवीर विवेक हाई स्कूल मोहाली के बच्चों के साथ हमने एक प्ले किया द ऑर्केस्ट्रा. सबसे पहले तो मैं निशा मैम का धन्यवाद करूंगा. उन्होंने मुझे अपनी टीम में शामिल किया और बच्चों के साथ ये नाटक करने का मौका दिया. ये नाटक करके मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया. सभी बच्चे बहुत अच्छे थे और ये वो पल हैं जो मेरी ज़िंदगी के सबसे बेहतरीन पलों में शुमार हो चुके हैं. मैं पूरी टीम का धन्यवाद करूंगा. सभी बच्चों का धन्यवाद, टीचर स्टाफ का धन्यवाद जिन्होंने पूरा सहयोग दिया.
I was told that when you're a part of something bigger than yourself, it makes you better. Getting the opportunity to play the legendary Nora Richards was indeed one of the most enriching experiences of my life.
For contest writing, it's unfortunate that Punjab is cultivating everything but theatre. I must sow the seeds of drama in this fertile land.
Transiting from my 14-year-old self to Nora Richards till her 80s was something so magical that I felt as if I'd lived another life.
There is no role left for me now. Moreover, I don't wish to live at the mercy of my servants.
I was also privileged to have one-on-one sessions with Nisha ma'am, who had also portrayed the same character. She, along with her team, guided me so well so that I could imbibe all the requisite emotions, presentation skills, expressions, and voice modulation techniques to do justice to the character portrayed, hence leading to the success of Thy Work Is Done. This play created so many beautiful memories that I'll cherish forever.
The narrator's play Thy Work Is Done, written by Atamjit ji and directed by Nisha Luthra, was a great and truly perfect in all senses and will stay in my memories for a long time. The dedication shown by Vivek High School students and team of the narrators made it a great experience.
Sequences including starting and ending. The variety of music was there, so I had to prepare the student according to different genre of dance including Western and Punjabi. The music was very dance friendly. School staff and the teachers are very cooperative, and the main part, the student did a great job, and it was a lovely and overwhelming experience with narrators and Nisha ma'am.
1 year of Thy Work Is Done, and it still feels like it just happened yesterday. Thy Work Is Done was a play that revolved around an Irish-born actress and a theatre practitioner, Nora Richards. The first time Nisha Luthra ma'am introduced us to the play, I was really very excited to be a part of this. I was a part of the dance crew, which was handled by Pankaj Thakur sir. Working with him was a pure bliss. I would like to thank Nisha ma'am and all her crew members who gave us this opportunity to be a part of such a super hit show. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Like to salute the foresightedness and the open-minded approach of the school management, that they saw this play on stage and they just went back and they thought of introducing this story to their students. As the teachers, the principal, everybody could foresee that the children would be handling some adult emotions. They would be learning about child marriage. They would be learning about the struggles that this Irish lady in India went through. How Nora actually adopted the culture and the people of this country like one of her own. So the learning was huge, and I'm sure that it must have moved some thought process or lifestyle changes in the lives of the actors, the students.
ਵੇਲਾ ਲੰਘਦਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਏ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸੱਦਦੇ ਨੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਚੱਲੋ ਪਾਂਦਾ ਜੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੁੜੀ ਨੂੰ ਨਵੇਂ ਕੱਪੜੇ ਪਾਏ ਪਵਾਣੇ ਆ ਬੋਲਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਂ ਅੰਦਰ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਵੇਖ ਤੇ ਬਾਹਰ ਲਿਆ ਭਲਾ ਇੱਕ ਵੇਲੇ ਸ਼ਰਮਾਉਂਦਾ
Thy work is done by the narrator. This play was staged on 3rd of August last year by class 9 students of Vivek High School. The script was initially brought to us by Nisha, and we were very, very apprehensive because we had seen the play and we thought that the script is a very serious script for a school stage. But Nisha was confident. She said that my team will bring out magic out of these children. So we decided to go ahead with it. We had less than 3 weeks to rehearse and perform. And during 3 weeks, there were a lot of anxious moments. There were happy moments, there was tension, there was stress. But we all enjoyed every moment of it. We stuck together, worked hard, shared very wonderful time together and presented a brilliant outcome. The performance was a wow performance and everybody had a lot of good things to say about it. Theatre brings out a lot of good qualities in children. It removes their apprehension, makes them confident and create a lot of new life skills also in them. So overall this performance was a very, very successful performance and it is a very, very nostalgic part of all of our memories. As we complete 1 year and we are all set to celebrate first anniversary, I compliment and congratulate all those who were associated with this production. Keep creating, keep making wonders, be happy, keep smiling and be safe. God bless all of you.
We had to do a lot of things in very less time, and we made it possible. With the valuable cooperation of the school management, faculty members, and of course the dedication and love students showed for drama. They actually lived, learnt, and enjoyed the whole process of rehearsals and gave an outstanding performance on the final day. Thank you very much, all of you. Thank you so much.
Before I leave, I would like to say my thank yous to very important people. Dr. Atamjeet Singh, who was the playwright of the play Thy Work Is Done. He's a very famous name in Punjabi literature, but on our insistence, he first time wrote in English. And what a beautiful life sketch of an Irish lady who came to India through the poetry, the songs and the dramatic elements and the emphasis on different places. Shri Ashok Sagar Bhagat, who is a professor at National School of Drama in Delhi, he signified the set of this play as the orbit of Nora's little world in India. It was a beautiful, huge set in the white paint. Shri Atul Sharma ji, who composed the music for this play, he time to time came on our script readings, on our rehearsals to get the mood and the nerve of the struggles and the pains the protagonist had to go through. And it transpired very well in the melodies that he had to compose for this story. Last but not the least, the backbone of both the productions. Thy Work Is Done in Tagore Theatre and Thy Work Is Done at the Vivek High School, Mr. Deepak Luthra, who was quite functional and instrumental for the outreach of this play to the audience and was very functional in getting the certifications for all the Vivek High School students from Leinster School of Music and Drama in Ireland.
While the rehearsals are going on, and a big team back home in Ireland, including Karen Casey, Susan Binley, Sheila, Kevin Gagan, our Managing Director, Managing Director, Academic Affairs, Tomas, were all working 24/7 to assess them. I must congratulate you, you've all brilliantly passed. You deserve a clap. And without further ado,